How to create multiple choice tests using artificial intelligence. First, go to Google and search for QuestionWell. Click the provided link. Scroll down and click Try it out. Enter your topic here. Please stick to English since this is the only language available that fits our country. Write or copy and paste text from any source. You can also leave this field blank. Copy and paste the text. This field has a limit of 1,000 words only. You can leave this field blank. Since this service is free, we only have the option of creating a multiple choice test. But that's okay. Click Generate Set. After a few seconds, the AI will have created 19 beautiful multiple choice tests. To save the tests, just click Print. Choose the Microsoft Print to PDF printer. Select a folder to save the file, and you're done. So stay tuned for more educational videos.